Today, I am going to show you how to draw this illustration on your phones without any hitch. Before we start, first have a look at the stuff you'll need. So, these are the colors on the screen that are used in illustration given with codes and names. You can download the color palette given in the description below. You can add the colors manually or use hex code to add the color. The brushes used in this creation are all default brushes. 2 of them are modified, which I explained in my previous videos. If you don't know how to modify these brushes, check out the link below. So now let's get started. Open Infinite Painter. Tap on Preset. I am selecting the Instagram preset. You can select any preset as per your wish. So first draw Stickman guide for the character structure using HB pencil. Now using Stickman structure, draw some guides. Draw cubic shape for upper body and also for lower body. Draw legs. Draw hand. Draw fingers using Stickman structure. Draw a rough sketch using basic structure. Draw wavy hair. Make corrections. Draw hand fire. Make corrections. Draw a basic shape for fire. Now draw fire along the basic shape. Structure is done. Let's color the structure. Don't color manually using any brush cause it sucks when it turns out. Instead, for better experience, use Path tool. Use either solid pen or solid fill or any brush with it. Path tool helps you to achieve more smoother and wavy shape as you want. Fill the color. Color other parts on separate layers. Don't take it serious, guys. It's just a video editing. Use the same Path tool method to color it. Select HB pencil from pencils folder. Add lashes to eyes using lazy tool. This is actually modified pencil. Select solid fill. Draw lens using circle shape. Draw rough nose. Color the background using black color. Let's shade the body first. Add a layer above body layer. Select gradient fill. Add gradient to body. Add a layer over gradient layer. Change its blending mode to overlay. Select hard airbrush. Add shadow underneath the breast. Erase the extras. Overlay makes the dark tones darker and bright tones more brighter according to the base layer. Now define the fingers using solid fill. Add bright light to one shoulder using dandelion color. Now use Paris daisy color for light. Use tangerine yellow for reflected light. Again, use dandelion for hand outline. Select circle dip from sprayers folder. Add some circles of Paris daisy color to left shoulder and to left thigh. Add shadow over the sternum using hard airbrush. Select Sand Blaster from sprayers folder. Add some grain texture to the right side and to shadows. Erase extra grains. Add reflected light to hand using dandelion color. Merge the overlay layer and gradient layer with body layer. Add a clipping mask layer over right hand layer. Add shadow first using vivid red color to the lower side. Then use red berry color to darken the shadow. Merge the layer with right-hand layer. Now shade the fire. Go to Fire layer. Select this layer. Add a layer above it and change its blending mode to Screen. Select Gradient Fill. Add gradient to the fire using radial style. Select Soft Glow from Glow folder. Add glow to fire. Deselect layer. Then add more glow. Again select layer, and add glow to only tiny parts of fire. Layer selection prevents the excessive glow, which makes it look over. Screen blending mode inverts the base colors and multiplies with the colors of blending layer. Add a layer beneath the fire layer. Change its blending mode to hard light. Add glow of blaze orange color behind the fire. Don't add excessive glow. Let's shade the face. Add a clipped layer over face layer. Add light to the lower side of face of dandelion color. Add light shadow to cheeks of blaze orange color. Add shadow using red cherry color. Select HB pencil from pencils folder. First draw elliptical shape of dandelion color. Then add draw curve beneath it using blaze orange. Now use tangerine yellow as intermediate color. Select coarse charcoal from charcoals folder. Add some grains to the cheeks and to nose ridge area. Add clipped layer over eye layer. Change its blending mode to color burn. Add shadows of olive tone color using solid fill with reduced opacity. Go to face layer. Add shadow to nose and lip using solid fill with reduced opacity. Merge the shading layer with face layer. And also merge the eye shading layer with eye layer. Add a clipped layer over the eyebrows layer. Add shadow to lips of red berry color. Add glow to lens using soft glow. Let's shade the hairs. Merge the shading layer with eyebrow layer. And also merge eyebrow layer with eye layer. Add a clipped layer over hair layer. Select gradient fill. Add gradient to hairs. Add a layer over hairs layer. Change its blending mode to overlay. Use HB pencil to define the outline of hairs. Add some shadows of vivid gamboge color to the right lower side. Add shadow of red berry color using solid fill. Add circle dips. Merge the hair shading layers with hair layer. Add a layer above eye layer. Add clipping mask. Add shades to ear. And it's done.